In this video, we will review 5 ways to make money online. Without further ado, let's get started. The first item on the list is getting paid to type. If you're a skilled typist looking for a way to make money online, then this hustle is definitely for you. With a website like textbroker.com, you can make up to $100 per day. If you still don't know what Textbroker is, it is a website that offers people an amazing opportunity to earn money through typing content. Don't you worry, it is also a free website, and you can join from any part of the world. So go typing and getting paid. Number 2 pays to test apps and websites. I have had people wonder if this is real, and the answer is yes, it is real. You can actually earn up to $5 to $30 in minutes through testing apps or websites. The best part is that it is user-friendly and free to start. The website to use for this is trymyui.com. This website will allow you to work from home and get paid through testing. Before we continue, if you have liked this video so far, do sure to take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. After having done that, let's get back into the video. So number 3 is paying to create short videos for the product. Have you ever stumbled on a video on TikTok to see a person recommend a product? Do you know you can get paid to do just that? Well, yes. On a website like Billo app, you get the opportunity to create short videos for brands you love and get paid. Now you don't have to be an expert in anything, just create your short video, and when approved, you get paid. Wait, don't just rush off yet. Stay tuned for my favorite number 5. Also, watch this video till the end to learn other methods to trap up to $15,000 a month. Number 4, become a cyberfriend. All your hours of texting on platforms like WhatsApp and Snapchat are not a waste.